My name is Eric Breakbill Jones, and I am the host of Sales Intersection, the intersection of money and meaning. And I just wanted to give you all a little context around a little trailer uh, about what my podcast is about. Essentially, I woke up one day and I realized I didn't want sales representative on my tombstone. I wanted more impact and I wanted to create something. And so this podcast is an opportunity to have guests on that talk about the kind of meaning, impact, and fulfillment they get from sales and the unique value proposition they bring to sales to make their own intersection. And as it turns out, I'm now working with a lot of my listeners, my followers, in a consulting capacity, because we all think it's ironic that sales attracts the most colorful personalities, yet they're measured in the most binary, limited model possible, quota, so black and white. And so I help these clients identify their color and leverage it to outperform, overperform quota, exceed quota, and be a massive success. So feel free to contact me about the podcast or any of my consulting areas of expertise. Specifically right now, I'm working on a lot of video and podcasting efforts, and I hope to connect with you soon.